All right, this is a little car maintenance video just for the fuck of it. Gotta replace my back mount light, head mount. I don't know what the fuck it's called. I gotta replace that light back there to get my inspection done. I already bought the bulbs. And basically, in order to get to that high mount backlight, I have to take apart my entire back seat of my car. And then I can get to it and replace this one little thing. So I'm about to do that. It's hot as hell. I parked it in a little bit of shade to help me out a little bit. I got my beer for refreshment. So let's see if I can get this done. Never tried this before, so I'm just gonna record and let's see what's up. Fuck, it's hot. I got it. I think that's what I'm trying to get to. Let's see what's up. I mean, it's not too difficult, but way more annoying than it should be. I don't want to lose these screws, because then I'd be screwed. Beer break. I don't have the right bulbs for this. This whole thing is a bunch of little bulbs. I would need to replace this whole thing. Damn it. Wanna see me dancing with somebody. Alright, so I got the new piece, new part. Let's see if I can figure out how I did this and fail. Take two. Let's see if I can figure out how to, ow, fuck. Let's see if I can figure out how to install this bad boy. Sorry you guys can't really see much. But believe me, there's a lot of manly shit going on over here. Now for the moment of truth. I did it! It's done. Look at that. Fix that bitch. Hope you're proud, Pops. Woo! Well, there you go. That's how you fix a high mount brake light on a 2010 Civic. What a bitch, especially on a summer day. But we got it done. Bye. Thanks for watching.